Welcome, chocolate lovers. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of homemade chocolate. There's something truly magical about creating your own treats right in your kitchen. Not only do you get to enjoy the rich, velvety taste of chocolate, but you also have the freedom to customize it to your liking. So, let's get started on this sweet adventure. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need cocoa powder, cocoa butter, powdered sugar, and a pinch of salt. If you want to add a little flair, consider including vanilla extract or your favorite nuts and dried fruits. The beauty of making chocolate at home is that you can experiment with flavors and textures that suit your palate. Next, melt the cocoa butter gently. You can do this using a double boiler or by microwaving it in short bursts, stirring in between. Be patient, we want it to melt smoothly without burning. Once melted, mix in the cocoa powder and powdered sugar. Stir until everything is well combined and you achieve a silky consistency. This is where you can add your vanilla extract or any other flavorings you desire. Now, it's time to pour your chocolate mixture into molds. You can use silicone molds for fun shapes or simply spread it onto a parchment-lined tray for a classic chocolate bar. If you're feeling adventurous, sprinkle some nuts or dried fruits on top before it sets. Let your chocolate cool at room temperature, or speed up the process by placing it in the fridge. Once it's firm, pop it out of the molds and admire your creation. The satisfaction of making your own chocolate is truly rewarding, and you can share it with friends and family or keep it all to yourself. No judgment here. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey of homemade chocolate. I hope you feel inspired to try this at home and unleash your inner chocolatier. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more sweet recipes and tips. Happy chocolate making!